Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEAR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, it does a great job of mapping out a very logical question. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price started off down around here, and then by the end of the day was way up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $3.45. Why is $3.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, no, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.45. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 345. What about areas of resistance? So let's scrunch up a chart here a little bit. And the key level currently basically right here at about $4 mark. You can see back here there's a lot of history around $4. During that final 30 minutes, yeah, the price did actually push up through $4, but couldn't quite maintain it. So $4 at initial level of resistance next week. If the price can push through there, next key level up at $4.50. So interesting close to the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.